Hi, we're back in our kitchen essentials. This is our fourth sauce. We are done with our bechamel. We're done with our hollandaise. We're also done with our tomato. Now we are in our velouté. Velouté sauce can be used in meat, but what and where are we going to use this later? We're going to use this in our burger. It's like a burger steak with our velouté sauce. Okay, so first thing that you have to do now is to heat our pan. Okay, as soon as our pan has been heated, we will now place our butter. So we're just simply making again a roux. Okay, so later in our video, you will see the measurements of our ingredients. We're just simply mixing this for one person because one plating for our burger. Okay, so you simply have to cream your butter, just melt it. Okay, as soon as you have melted your butter, we'll now place our flour. We're simply making our roux based on our first sauce, which is our bechamel. We had the white sauce there. Okay, this now is our velouté sauce. We are again placing our flour. Okay, just lower the fire a little. Okay, there we are. This is now our flour and the butter. Okay, so you have it there. Okay, we will now place our cold. This is our cold stock. It's a beef stock actually. Okay, so there you are. It's a cold stock. I used actually a beef stock. Okay, see to it that there will be no lumps. You have, okay, all the flour there already mixed. Well, mixed without the lumps. Okay, you can use actually a wire whisk for mixing this. Okay. If all the lumps are not there anymore, you can now place our white wine. But because we don't have a white wine, we can use pineapple juice. We can use apple juice. We can also use lemon juice. I'm actually using a lemon juice if you don't have your white wine. Okay. Ito parang gravy sa atin. Kung titignan natin. Okay. And it's going to taste good because I'm again going to place my salt and my pepper. I'm going to simmer this in 5 minutes approximately, and I can still add butter. Without the butter, I can use cream. Okay, so I'm going to simmer this for a while for 5 minutes. We have simmered our sauce, velouté sauce, with the beef stock that we use there. It's already brown and creamy and thick. So what will add the flavor is butter or cream. We are now adding our cream. It's going to be delicious. Actually, this is good on fish. This is good on chicken. And best, of course, for our burger steak. Okay, so this is our velouté sauce. It's creamy, delicious, of course. It's going to be good. Okay, we're ready for our plating. We're ready for our plating. Actually, what makes this so delicious is our stock. If your stock is going to be beef and it has boiled 4 hours or more, it will really taste good. Your gravy or velouté, or this is actually velouté with cream. We added our beef stock and it's really good and it's flavorful. We have now here is our burger. Okay, there you are. So, here is our burger steak with our velouté sauce. It's really good. Okay, thank you so much. This is our number 4 sauce.